Hey guys, a warm welcome to all of you to my channel Learning Process. So in this video I'm going to share you some design ideas that you can make in on your plastic canvas sheet. So let's begin.
Take half sheet and draw a small heart and do diagonal stitch. Now draw frog with hand and do vertical stitch. For frog I am using pink color. And for hands I am using beige color. Now draw triangle and do stitch. This will be nose and now draw two round circle and do horizontal stitch with black color. Now two more round circles and do vertical stitch by using white. Here eyes get completed. Now draw face of owl with ear and bow. Do vertical stitch on face and ear. And horizontal stitch on bow. Our design is completed now. and cut out all the extra area. Please do comment and share this video with others if you really like it.
For this DIY project, I am making apple design by using sketch pen.
And start stitching with help of red yarn. I am covering at least 4 blocks with single stitch. Keep doing it according to apple design. Once design get completed, draw leaf and stitch it with green color.
इस चीज़ को बनाने के लिए हमें अपनी कैनवास शीट को स्क्वायर में कट करना होगा। आप स्केल की हेल्प से कट कर सकते हैं। अब बो डिज़ाइन बनाएं। एक लाइन में 4 बो बन जाएंगे। और दूसरी लाइन में 3 बो जो हम पहली बो के बीच से शुरू करेंगे।
Cut plastic canvas sheet into small 10 by 10 centimeter square. On this, I am making a very easy elephant design. For making it easy to understand, just draw elephant on this sheet and start your stitching vertically by using some dark color yarn. Once it is done, cover the remaining area with bright color yarn, and I am using a white.
So I hope you really like this video and give it a big thumbs up, and keep down commenting and let me know what kind of design you want to see in your upcoming videos. And if you have any query, you can comment down. And yeah, keep watching and keep loving my channel. Thank you.